Hello everybody! There we are again. So, me and our daughter are, right now we are in our forest area, what we call forest area because it's full of trees. And last summer we were here and we didn't see any like fruit trees. I mean, I hope not, but we decided to make a nice camping spot here. So here in this part, as you can see, it is all trees and all things, and this is our own land. If you watch us for the first time, we bought a property in Bulgaria for 8,000 euros, and over there you see the whole house, and here we have our garden, part of the garden, and now we want to make a little lovely place. We're thinking. We're gonna put a tent over here, and we're gonna put all this kind of, the fairy lights, the lovely lights over everywhere, and we're just having dreams and we're making it work. So me and my daughter are cutting away a lot of trees. As you can see over there are already a lot. And what we're gonna do then is we're gonna chop them up with our wood chipper. If you don't know what that is, you can watch another video that I made yesterday, or the day before. And then we're gonna chip all the wood, and then we're gonna put carton box here on the grass. First we're gonna mow the grass, and then we're gonna put the carton box on it, and then the wood chips, a thick layer of wood chips on it. And then we have a camping place, and we can put a tent, and we can put chairs, and we can put... If the sun is coming, because today still it's not so warm, but it's good enough for us to work and to do some nice stuff in our garden. I'm so excited! It's gonna be amazing. So, I will start cutting, and this is how it looks right now. And yeah. Let's cut some trees. And this is how we are right now. We're going strong. So it's already getting better and better. I really love it. And I just put it over there. For now I put it at branches because I didn't have something that is, we don't have like a net yet. We will be putting that later, but I took some from the Netherlands actually. But you guys will see that later. But now I just put the branches for now over there so that our dog cannot keep on running out. And here are some more branches. So we're gonna keep on going. I mean, I'm gonna keep on going. My daughter is having a little rest inside, which is fine. So I'm enjoying myself. And we have a situation. Yeah, my saw broke, so I have to check if I have another one because I'm not sure if I have another one. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the shed and see if I don't remember if I bought that last year. I hope so, because this thing is really doing wonders here. And you know what is so amazing? Well, amazing, it's kind of sad, but many of the trees over here are so dead already that we can just push them, and they just, with carrots, how do you call that? With carrots, with the roots and everything, they just, you have to just stand on them and they fall down, like big trees, right? Yeah, so, but we have this situation, and we're gonna, see if I can fix this. Nope. I just checked. I don't have any spare ones yet. So I will have to pick that up tomorrow. But tonight we're gonna pick up my hubby, my husband and daddy from our daughter, because he's coming back from the Netherlands, and I'm so excited to see him again. Yay! Yeah, he has not been feeling very well lately, so sometimes he has to go back to the Netherlands. for some work things and for some doctor's appointment. But I'm so happy that he's gonna come back, guys. Oh, yeah. So, then this was for now what we have done. We did a lot. So tomorrow, when my husband is back, I am going to go on here and I'm gonna try to get this whole part cleared out. And then the wood chipping can begin. And yeah, let's make something nice over here. A nice big place when the sun is gonna come up and when it's gonna be warm and cozy in the evening. We can have our tent over here and we can make, a little, how do you call that? Fire pit. We have to be careful because we don't want to get a big fire or anything, but we will be careful, of course. Very careful. I mean, yeah. Let's see how that goes. And for now, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. God bless you, everybody. Bye.